Welcome to breaking news of Channel 5. Earlier today, I was just informed that Fred the penguin and his friends has disappeared from the Hilton Hawaiian Village. Most of the visitors from the hotel was shocked and confused, waking up to an empty habitat in the lobby. I was told that I was told that these amazing birds are African penguins, also known as cap penguins or southern African penguins, and a species of penguins confined to southern African waters. After a couple minutes of wondering where the penguins had gone, one of the workers of Hilton has just announced that they are just transported to the zoo because it is a safer and better habitat for them.